Welcome to Pump with Thilly. If you're a new mom preparing for breastfeeding, you may be wondering how often your baby should feed, whether you're making enough milk, and what's actually normal during those first few weeks. Don't worry, you're not expected to know everything right away. Breastfeeding is a learning process for both you and your baby. In the beginning, newborns typically breastfeed frequently, often around 8 to 12 times in 24 hours. Instead of watching the clock, pay attention to your baby's hunger cues. Rooting, bringing hands to the mouth, sucking motions, and becoming more alert can all signal that your baby is ready to feed. Crying is usually a later hunger cue. A good latch is one of the most important parts of comfortable breastfeeding. Your baby should take in a good portion of the areola, not just the nipple. You should feel pulling or tugging rather than sharp or pinching pain. If breastfeeding remains painful, or your nipples are becoming damaged, getting help from a lactation professional can make a big difference. You may also worry about whether your baby is getting enough milk. In the early days, diaper output, swallowing during feeds, and your baby's weight gain are important signs to monitor. Your pediatrician can help determine whether your baby is feeding effectively and gaining appropriately. Remember that breasts can feel very different from one mom to another. Some moms experience fullness and leaking, while others have softer breasts and still produce plenty of milk. Your body may also take some time to adjust as milk production becomes established. If you plan to pump or combine breastfeeding with pumping, consistency and comfort matter. Make sure your pump flange fits properly, and avoid using suction levels that cause pain. Pumping should support your breastfeeding goals, not make you miserable. And most importantly, give yourself grace. Some days will feel easy, while others may feel frustrating or exhausting. Asking for support from your healthcare provider, pediatrician, or qualified lactation professional is not a sign that you're failing. It's part of taking care of yourself and your baby. Breastfeeding doesn't have to look perfect to be successful. Take it one feeding at a time, listen to your baby, take care of yourself, and remember that you're learning together. This is Pump with Thilly, and we're here to support you through your breastfeeding and pumping journey.